Alina Jenkins is here. Alina.
Hello there, Simon. Contrast across the country today. For some southern counties, we are holding on to the sunshine. Another cracking day in Cornwall. But as we head further north, we're already seeing some rain across northern England, southern and western parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. And it's these areas which will see the lion's share of the rain through the rest of the afternoon, becoming more heavy and persistent with time. But further north, across northern and eastern parts of Scotland, well, it's here that, yes, we'll see a few blustery showers, but also some good spells of sunshine, but it will feel chilly in that strong wind, which will be slowly easing down through the day. But a very wet-looking rush hour across western, southern parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and into northern England too, and some of that rain extending into northern parts of Wales may just brush the north of the Midlands. But by and large, the further south you are, you should stay largely dry through daylight hours. Yes, more cloud than yesterday, still some bright or sunny spells. The winds are brisker though, so it's always going to feel that little bit cooler. But we keep our eye on this area of low pressure, bringing the wettest weather across Northern Ireland, southern western parts of Scotland, northern England overnight, and that rain will continue to sink its way southwards, but also accompanied by some potentially strong winds, especially for Wales, the Bristol Channel, the Midlands and into East Anglia, so a blustery end to the night. But it will be a milder night than the one just gone, with lows between 9 and 13 Celsius. But the strength of the wind gives us some cause for concern through the early hours of tomorrow morning, especially, as I mentioned, through Wales, the Midlands into East Anglia. Could see some branches down off trees, and a very blustery start to Thursday for central and southern England. But that rain will clear its way southwards, taking the strongest winds with it. It will still be quite a windy day, and there'll be a few showers feeding across on that northwesterly wind. But many places dry with some sunshine, quite cool in the wind though, with highs between 12 and 17 Celsius. But those winds start to slowly ease down through tomorrow night, and the skies for most become largely clear. So as we start the day on Friday, some rural spots could just see a touch of frost in places. A chilly start to Friday, but for most it'll be bright. There'll be some sunshine. What we'll find through the day is that the cloud will start to build from the west. May see some rain into the far northwest of Scotland later in the day, but otherwise it's a dry day. And that cloud comes ahead of this frontal system, which will topple its way across the country as we go into Saturday. And that brings a fairly unsettled start to the weekend. Nowhere reliably dry on Saturday. There will be some outbreaks of rain, but not raining all the time. Perhaps a few bright or sunny spells coming through, but a noticeable westerly wind, so still quite a cool feel. But it looks like Sunday will be the better day of the weekend. Mainly dry, apart from a little bit of rain in the western, highs between 14 and 17 Celsius. Simon.
Alina, thank you very much. A reminder of our main story this lunch.